Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, and somebody emailed me and they wanted to know how they could add a little interactive fill tool to the inside and the outside of the square. So here's the one I started with, and we're going to do it. I did it in color, because in laser engravers we don't ever get to choose too many different colors, so I'm going to use color. So I'm going to grab that part, I'm going to move it over. But this is all one piece, and we really want them a little bit different. So at this time, we're going to go break the curve apart. But what that did, it broke them individually. So here's a good reason to use the freehand pick tool. And I'm just going to draw a line around this. And then I'm going to go object and combine them. Now I could actually nudge that up so the other one won't get in the way. And I can combine this, and that gets rid of those little white lines. And then I can actually bring this one back. I'm going to get my regular pick tool and bring this one back down. Whoop. And then I'm going to take this one right here. I'm going to select it. I'm going to get the interactive fill tool. And I'm going to go from about here to there. And you can play around with this till the, cows come home type deal, and get this further out, and or even go up here and it'll get a little further. And I'm not too worried about it. Let's put a little bit of gray into this box. Give it a little bit darker. Now what's so cool about this, even though it's a different shape, you can use the attribute eyedropper and touch that right there and then fill it in. It's going to be a little bit different because of the shape. So let's don't do that. Let's use the, let's go ahead and get this back. You know what, I think I still got it. There we go. Get this back and just select that one. You've got to select it. If you don't, the interactive fill tool will go back to that one. And then you could do the same process and change it up a little bit, have your shadow, more on one side than the other. You could bring a little gray in. And then all you have to do is put this one back on top, and you've got a little bit of shading. Pretty cool effect. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.